Hold on to your hats, because we're diving deep into the wild world of lions and tigers. First up, did y'all know that lions are the only big cats that live in groups called prides? Yep, and those prides can have up to 40 lions in them. Pause and chuckle. Talk about a wild family reunion. Now let's chat tigers. These big guys have stripes not just on their fur, but on their skin too. So even if they shaved, they'd still be looking fierce. And here's a shocker. A lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. That's like hollering from one end of town to the other. Meanwhile, tigers are the largest big cats in the world, and they love water. Unlike most cats, these guys are excellent swimmers. Next time you hit the pool, watch out for the tiger paddling by. So, did we blow your mind yet? Like, comment, and subscribe for more wild facts. See y'all in the jungle.